Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'll be showing you the unboxing of Xiaomi Piston basic earphones. Basically these are the cheapest earphones that are available with Xiaomi brand, and I will be showing you in this video how they look like and how they arrive. Here in Germany we have around 4.2 stars from 5,000 plus reviewers, so it means it's a good product overall. And we have two color variants. One is white, as you see here, and another one is black. So I'll be ordering black for my use and we'll be showing you how it will work. So let's get started. So here is the packet that it came in, and as you see it's quite small, quite compact. So let's just bust this bad boy out and see what we have. So here is what it looks like. So yeah, on the side, I hope it focuses. So it's quite simple, and it says here, right here, Xiaomi basic. So it's a Xiaomi product, and yeah, simple. And let's open this up and see what we have inside. So first of all we have the earbuds right here. I think there are a couple there extra, and here is the main set of earphones. So here, not bad. The wire is round cross section compared with the other flat ones with this price range from Xiaomi. And then we have a microphone. Is it? Yes. No, here's the microphone. So we have just a single button on the microphone to answer all these calls, and then here is the head of the headphones right here. Yeah, it looks sturdy, and yeah, it is metal on the sides here, so you can know from the sound, and then inside is other plastic. So that's about it for the unboxing, and yeah, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, and see you again soon. Ciao.